Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we're going to be teaching you how to install a crucial BX500 2.5-inch SSD in your PC, or rather how to make the connections properly. Now we have the SSD in front of us in the original packaging, and underneath we have a motherboard wherein we're focused on the SATA connectors. Now the SATA connectors in this case are pointing towards the edge. If we tilt the board a little, you can see how the connectors look like. As you can see, SATA connectors, there are 4 of them on this particular board, and each of them has a little finger in the center with a notch at the leftmost corner. And the SATA connector and your SSD are bridged using a SATA cable. And these things look like this, and you have connectors at the edge which are similar to what we just saw on the motherboard. Again, you have a small slit in the center and a little slit on this edge which is compatible with the ports that we saw. Now when we take the SSD out of the packaging, you can see there are 2 connectors on the SSD. One is a 15-pin connector on the left hand side, or at the bottom side, and at the top you have a 7-pin connector that's for the data. Now for these you need to look at your PSU. Your power supply will have a cable that is long and shaped like this. Now this is the power connector for SATA devices, and at the tip you can see a similar format. There's a slit in the center and the small notch at one of the ends. Now the notch is how you align the connector with the connector on the SSD. Hold it in a manner such that the notch on the cable and the notch on the SSD are aligned. In this case they are both at the top. Bring it close to each other and then slide them in. There should be minimal force required in order to make this connection. All connectors in your PC are designed to require minimal force. Now, the other end of the power cable goes into your PSU, so you don't need to worry about that. The next thing you need to worry about is the data connection. For this, we have the SATA cable that we saw previously. It comes with a clip on both ends of the connector. Here you can see that the notch of the connector is on the bottom side, and the notch on the SSD is on the bottom side as well. Again, you would align the connector with the connector on your SSD and just push, and there you go, it's installed. In order to remove these cables from your SSD, it's quite simple. On the reverse side, you can see the little clip. Now this is a locking clip, so you need to press down on the clip and pull it, and it comes apart normally. The power cable does not have a locking clip, and you just need to hold it firmly and pull it. There you have it, you've disconnected it. Now we need to connect it back, and we need to connect it to your motherboard. So once the connections are made on the SSD and the power cable is connected to your PSU, all you need to do is take the other end of your SATA cable and insert it into one of the SATA slots. On the motherboard we have 4 slots as we saw earlier. You just need to pick one empty slot and make the connection. In this case you can see that the notch is on this side, so we align the cable so that the notch is on the same side. Place it in front of the connector and simply slide it in. And that's about it. You've made the connection and your SSD is now connected with your PC. Simply boot up and make the proper changes in the operating system. Now that's it for this particular video of installing the crucial BX500 SSD in your PC. If you'd like us to do similar videos around PC components, please do like and share this video, and as always, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.